I will revoke your bond, and I'm going to put you in jail. I don't know what you're...
Your Honor, it appears based on the NCIC, there's a pending DWI out of Dallas County as well.
If you try to tell me that it's mouthwash, it's a tequila lollipop, it's hair dye, I will literally...
The explosions you just saw, they aren't just courtroom drama. They're a judge's final warning to a man standing on the edge of a 5-year federal prison sentence. But what exactly was hidden in his files? Meet Mr. Munoz. In 2019, he was caught swerving his Mustang with 5 beers in his system. It looked like a standard, albeit old, DWI case. But as the judge pushed for the truth, a massive contradiction surfaced. A secret warrant from Dallas County changed everything. Now, it's not just about a fine. It's about total deportation and the permanent loss of his freedom. Who's really telling the truth about his past and that second arrest? If you want to see exactly how judges spot these hidden patterns and catch lies in real time, hit subscribe to join the community. Let's go back to the start of this intense hearing.
What is the case?
Mr. Munoz Puente, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and/or a $2,000 fine.
$2 de multa.
You're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, sir. On July 4th, 2019, the officer observed a white Ford Mustang pull out of a Citgo gas station parking lot onto the 200 block of East Little York Road. The officer observed the Mustang fail to drive in a designated lane, driving over the striped white line in between lanes 1 and 2 multiple times, while other vehicles were on the roadway. The defendant was unable to control its speed and accelerated and decelerated multiple times. A traffic stop was initiated. The defendant was observed to have red glossy eyes, slurred speech, and swaying while he was standing. The officer also observed a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage. The defendant admitted to drinking 5 beers. A standard field sobriety tests were administered. HGN 6 out of 6, walk and turn 5 out of 8, one leg stand 3 out of 4. 2 spilled beers were found in the vehicle, and a search warrant was drawn and executed for the blood.
Why is this case 2,083 days old?
Just so speaking to him in 2019, he was arrested in the ICE detainer that was hit. He was picked up by immigration. He said when he was in the immigration court, they told him he could sign a waiver.
Voluntary departure?
Yeah, voluntary departure. That's what he did.
Mr. Munoz Puente, you want to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medications. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, I will revoke your bond, and I'm going to put you in jail. I don't know what your immigration status is now. You now know what happens when you go to jail. They will possibly deport you. And I'm going to tell you, if you come back and you don't come back with the proper documentation, it could be 5 years minimum in federal custody on an illegal reentry charge. So when you do things the right way, good things happen. When you don't, there's serious consequences. If I find that you violate any of these conditions, I will put you in jail. Do you understand? Run his license, see if he has a valid license plate.
There's no license on file, Your Honor.
You are not allowed to drive. That is my most important position in this area now. If I find that you drive, I don't care what you do. I can have a contempt hearing. You can be facing an additional 6 months jail and $500 fine. I will have you sign with me now an affidavit. This is a promise that you're going to make to me that you're not going to drive. I don't care what is going on in your life. If you don't have a license, a Texas license, and liability insurance in your name, you are not allowed to drive. You run as NCIC, so you guys have priority to the guys, please.
Yes, Judge, I'll run it.
Your case number? It's 226-7399.
Your Honor, it appears based on the NCIC, there's a pending DWI out of Dallas County as well.
Dice que es un juego de un condado de
That's correct, Judge.
Es correcto.
He does have another open
Tiene
DWI
otro
in Dallas
abierto
County. I
en
believe
el
he picked it
condado
up
de
before,
Dallas. Y el courtroom
before this case.
antes de este caso.
But it was a warrant for both of
Pero
them,
había
when she was
orden
picked
de
up
los
for,
dos que dos
when he paid bond for both of
cuando
these cases. So
salió
before
fianza,
he was deported,
antes de
he had picked up
lo
both those DWIs.
deportaron a los dos y la referencia de cuenta.
Did he get a PR bond in this case? Munoz pointed.
GOP transferred, but it
La
was
fecha en la
row.
cuando revocaron la vacante
And then he posted a,
que faltó en el
county.
2019. Cuando fianza. Efectivo.
I'm going to put an ankle monitor on
Voy a
you,
poner una
and I'm now giving you a curfew
y le voy a
7
dar
to 7. If I
un
find
horario
that you're out
específico.
past
Si
7
usted
p.m.,
sale
I'm
después de las 7 de la noche.
I will do everything in my power to protect the community at all costs. Do you understand?
No entiendo. ¿Contesta? Yes.
Unacceptable. Counsel, were you going to say something?
Oh, no,
If I find
Y yo averiguo.
that you test positive for anything, and I don't care what it is, if you try to come here and try to tell me that it's mouthwash, it's a tequila lollipop, it's hair dye, it's mustache ointment, I will literally,
Bigote.
you are driving a car. Holy moly, I will absolutely lose it. Do you understand?
¿Lo entiendes?
Don't dare
Te atrevas
get near a
a
car.
acercarte a un automóvil.
So 7 to 7 curfew.
Después de 7 horas en su trabajo.
Scram monitor. No alcohol, no drugs. Is all discovery in?
Yes, Judge, everything did.
Okay. So counsel, I'm gonna give you a 30-day setting. At that point, you gotta come back and let us know what you wanna do. And then you have 30 days to go through all the discovery with your lawyer. And you come back at that time, I'm gonna either set your case for trial
Su caso
or
de
you will
juicio.
accept the plea bargain for the agreement. But at 2000, and I know that the issues may have happened, but with another DWI open, it's time to do something about it. Okay, all right.
Thank you, Judge.
See you soon.
Se va.
The judge made the call. Mr. Munoz walks away with a mandatory scram monitor and a strict 7 to 7 curfew. But here's the question. With a second DWI surfacing, was this sentence enough to protect the community? Comment below. Team judge or team public safety? Should he have been taken into custody right then and there? If this case got you thinking about courtroom justice, hit like. Share this with anyone who loves legal drama.